Alright guys, so I want to show you how to turn this whole thing off. If you want to stop getting this message when you download a new app, I'm going to show you how to turn this off now. I just got a picture of it because I couldn't find an app that would ask me since all my apps are already downloaded, but this is really simple. So what we need to do is open up our settings. Where is the settings? Here we go. And inside of your settings, if you would scroll all the way down to privacy and security, and then you have the second option here is called tracking. So allow apps to request to track. That's what we need to actually toggle off. Now when we hit this toggle, it's going to ask us, do we want to allow apps to continue tracking that we've already allowed? Or are we going to ask apps to stop tracking, right? And that's going to take all the apps that we've allowed to track us, it's going to make them turn that off. So I'm going to allow the apps that I've already allowed to track me, continue to track, but now future apps, they won't even be able to ask if they can track me across different apps or companies or websites. So that is how you're going to do that. You see I have most of mine turned off. I should probably have even more of them turned off because why are you tracking me? Yeah, but that's how we're going to do it, guys. I hope this helps. If it does, if you could, just like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.